all these things to the people, they say, yeah, there's one vaccination because of that, this happens.
If you feel your child is autistic, it's absolutely fine. It is not the end of the world.
What are the symptoms that parents should look up to
On the spectrum of autism will ever be seen, which is true.
इसमें जो इनका स्टडी स्ट्रक्चर होता है, सिंस यू आर अ टीचर, तो आप मेरे को थोड़ा सा ये बताओ, इनका स्टडी स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है? डू ऑल द स्कूल्स हैव स्पेशल एजुकेशंस और
It is a mandate by CBSE.
my son is not talking or my daughter is not talking or responding to my voice or responding to my eye contact?
Believe me, this child will make you proud. ये child कहीं ना कहीं आपका रास्ता बनेगा.
And train in a very younger age.
हाँ,
ऐसा नहीं कि बैठे हैं 6 साल तक, अरे नहीं धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा.
please go Google famous people with autism. You will realize autism is not a limit. It is just an opportunity.
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ रितिका. आज मैं अपने फॉक्सी पॉडकास्ट पे एक बहुत सेंसिटिव टॉपिक लेके आई हूँ, जिस पे डिस्कशन करने के लिए मैंने बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक स्पेशल एजुकेटर को चुना है. एंड शी इज विद अस. शी इज इन दिस फील्ड फ्रॉम पास्ट 14 years. प्लीज वेलकम मिस सुरभि.
Thank you.
प्लीज सुरभि जी, बहुत बहुत वेलकम आपका मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे आने
Thank
के
you for
लिए.
inviting me.
तो सुरभि जी, जिस बात के बारे में हम डिस्कशन करने जा रहे हैं, मैं चाहूंगी कि खुद से उसके बारे में बात शुरू करें
Okay.
एंड अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देके बताएं सबको कि आपका जर्नी कैसा रहा और आपने किस फील्ड से स्टार्ट किया एंड हाउ यू जम्प्ड इनटू इट और
Okay.
कैसा आपका रहा.
Okay. It's been, I'm Surbhi Seth. I've been in this field for 14 years. 2009 se I've done my master's in special education from Macquarie University. And my mom is also a special educator. So
Okay.
she's been my inspiration. She did her course in 98. And uske baad she started working with a special school. And the kind of respect and gratitude my mom got for the work that she was doing was the inspiration for me to move into this field. So I think I was in the 8th or the 9th and something had happened at home. And the kind of respect, I was moved to tears because the parents were very thankful and there was so much of tears at that moment of the change my mom brought about in the child's life. The parents were so thankful that I'm like, this is something I want to do.
So this you decided in a very early age of your life.
That this is what I want to do. I want to be her. Like, she's my guru, she's my role model. So I am today is because of her.
Okay.
And till date, I still go back to her. So today itself in the morning, I was discussing a case with her. Like, Mama, this child is in the 8th. He's showing these symptoms. But, I don't think this can be this. It can be this. And this. I made a video call to her showing that written transcript to try and understand.
He has much more
obviously,
experience,
much more.
obviously, yeah.
So she's still there, like my guru over there, who I'm looking up to. She's like my guiding force. So my journey started with her, looking at her being what she is today.
Thanks, quite
So
young
my
age.
credit is her. Like, I have nothing, it is all her. And whatever I talk or have learned is because of her, with her support that I've come up here.
Okay.
And then my father then helped me choose the right courses. So that's how I did my bachelor's in home science, where
Okay.
my specialization was human development, to understand how children grow. So normal development,
So
abnormal
this is, we are
development.
talking about special child.
Children has just learning about human development at each stage. What does a person go through in life?
Okay.
It's everything that my parents first gave me the exposure to. Then I was like, no, I still want to do this, So they said, chalo, isse. Then I did my diploma with Mumbai University.
Okay.
And then when I was doing that, I'm like, this is not enough, just learning about disabilities and why is there a disability and trying to understand the genetic cause and the how the brain functions is not going to help me in the field in taking care of the kids. It will not, it's making me sensitive
Okay.
to the child. I'm understanding if there's something the child is being able to do, not being able to do. Why? The moment you understand, you kind of become very sympathetic to the person, your perspective to the issues change. So that is there. But I felt I wanted more. I wanted more strategies. So then the journey began of finding a university which gives me a course which is wholesome.
Okay.
It is not disability based. So if you go to US and UK and Europe, the courses are disability based and very level based.
Okay.
So if you're doing autism, mild autism, very specific course. Moderate autism is a different course, and severe autism is a different course. Or related to any other disabilities, let it be dyslexia, trisomy pair,
Yeah.
learning disability. You take cerebral palsy, you take for the visually impaired and hearing impaired or mentally challenged kids. I shouldn't be saying that, but yeah, intellectually impaired is the right word.
Yeah.
So for them, this level, and I was like, that's not how it works in India. You can't work with a level and go to a school or
I know,
set
I
up
know.
your sentence. मैं तो इसकी ट्रेनिंग लिया है मैंने, इसका
हाँ।
कोर्स है, तो मैं इन्हीं बच्चों को केटर करूंगी.
बिल्कुल.
It's not going to be that way. You have to cater to everybody, no matter what the diversity is.
बिल्कुल.
So then that's how Macquarie University came to me,
Okay.
which did not base its course on the disability.
Okay.
It didn't teach us if the child is disabled with this disability, you do this. No, it told me if the child is having this behavior, you do this. If the child is having this academic problem, so you go back these steps to check if the child has learned this to be learning this. It gave us, we have our lesson plans, which normal teachers make lesson plans. Our lesson plans are called individualized educational plan.
So it's like individually you are catering each.
हाँ, so we look back 10 steps, कहाँ बच्चे ने 10 step पीछे क्या नहीं सीखा कि वो अब ये नहीं कर पा रहा.
So guys, it is very difficult journey to be a teacher, no matter normal teacher or special educator, but listening to her, I feel even they have put a lot of efforts in,
हाँ, it is my parents' complete, thinking and supporting me and, sitting down and having conversations. So, will this help you? Will this take, this course is here, this is the limitation, this is the advantage. We've had that discussion. So that's how Macquarie Sydney came up, and then I did my course. I came back, and then I've been working over here. So yes, I've been asked a million times, why did you return? Like,
Okay.
you went there, you should have stayed there.
Correct.
Why did you return? But I guess it was just destiny,
Destiny,
that
and it's important. If you have learned something, let's do something for
Huh.
our kids in India.
exactly all this was to come back and do it. So why would I stay there? That passion was for India.
India. So, as I said that she's a teacher. So in teaching, and the special thing what we are going to discuss in this specially podcast is autism.
Yes.
And since this is autism month going on, and I requested Surbhi to please come and talk about this issue on our podcast to make everyone aware what is this all about. So I want to know, Surbhi, this autism words, as soon as anybody listen to autism, they're like, oh my God, it's a big disease.
Okay. It's not a disease. It's something, the child is just having a different mind. Their brain makeup is very different. The neurons in the mind are connected in a different way. That's why the other term used for them is being neurodiverse. Neurodiverse, because the brain is set up in a different way,
Okay.
So we call something as being normal is a very small box.
Okay.
Okay, which most of the people, so-called most of the people, fit in.
So-called.
Yes. Now,
So-called.
whoever's outside is then labeled as being disabled or special or whatever. Now, if you increase this box, then you get the neurodiverse people in. Okay, and they're just humans like us, but they process information in a different
way.
And children with autism are the kids who like being in their own world. Okay, they're not in the normal, this small box of normal
Understood.
world.
Their mind is very
Very different.
different.
As in, the way they view things is very different from us.
Okay.
Okay, so I may just see this as a Christmas tree or a television or something, but for them, the Christmas tree may be something beyond. They may look at the specific things on the Christmas tree,
Okay.
they may want to touch it. They may feel this is a little out of context because it is not, winter season. So they may even get upset with it.
Okay, so they do get upset very easily, is
Yes,
it?
they do get upset very easily because they're very, they like pattern, they like sameness, they like knowing what they want to do next. And when they don't know what they're doing next, it gets them upset.
Okay.
And when they get upset, their way of showing that they're upset is a little different from the way we do it. So they continue to probably show upset like a 1 and a 2-year-old who's throwing a temper tantrum.
Okay.
That lasts for a little longer for these kids.
I want to understand one point here. What are the symptoms that parents should look up to understand
If a child is,
if the child has some symptoms or something? So I want to know this since we are on this topic. That's the reason I'm picking up on symptoms.
they say as early as probably 12 months.
12 months.
6 months to 12 months, you can come to know your child is autistic. The child is not giving you social smiles. So the moment you enter the room, the child may not look at you and smile.
Okay.
Okay. Child knows you. So when he's crying, the child, you may be able to pacify the child. But the child is not showing any specific attraction or attachment to you.
Okay.
Okay.
So sense of attachment,
is missing in them. Yes.
Okay.
Or they may be an excess attachment to one person.
Okay. Like mama.
Mama, or papa.
Or papa.
And it is so, at times, it's rare, but it can be that much that it can also get suffocating for the mother.
Okay.
Okay. So when there's lack of attachment, you leave the room, the child may not cry. So the normal children, when they're growing up 9-10 months, mummy room chhod ke chali gayi to rote hain. We have also lots of shots going on. Mama, papa sitting with the baby, papa leaves, baby follows, mama leaves, does not care types, So this child will keep sitting over there and not care if anybody leaves.
Okay.
It will make no difference to them. Mama left, papa left, koi baat nahi. They will not cry. They will not do anything to get your attention. Little babies do things to get attention. So when they start crawling, they've picked up something, they've understood कि अच्छा मैं ऐसे पकड़ के खड़ा हो गया हूँ, मम्मा खुश हो गई थी. तो next time when they stand up, they look for your attention कि
I know.
मम्मा खुश हो रही है, मम्मा ने smile दिया. It's such an automated response. This child may not give that response. He may not even look for your approval.
Okay.
He wants something, he will just take your hand and put it on that thing. That give me that thing. Otherwise, children pat, they tug, they cajole, they take you, they will point, they will look over there.
They'll try to drag you
Yes.
towards that particular thing.
And you understand through that eye contact what does the child want. This child will not make an eye contact with you. And
that is between, you are talking about 6 to 12 months, which is very basic. And people don't even bother ki, understand, acha, nahi has raha hai, nahi man hoga. And generally, this is the way people behave. Okay, he's very small to do all these things.
And a lot of parents don't pick it up at that age क्योंकि बच्चा अकेला है तो हंस रहा है. मुझे देखकर नहीं हंसा. It's such a small thing, that it is very easy to skip and it just slides away. But it's also that the more severe the autism, the early it is picked up.
I know.
And more milder, it gets picked up when the child starts going to school. So probably at the age of 4-5. It's the first time when the parents are told.
In this, we have a category of mild, medium, and that's the reason I think you call it spectrum.
Yes. So spectrum basically is trying to say that the simplest way I can explain to you.
And in layman's language, so everybody can understand.
Every individual is different. हर इंसान अलग है. चाहे वो ट्विंस हो या कुछ भी हो, वो एक जैसे नहीं होंगे. आप चाहे वो ट्विंस को अलग भी कर लो, अलग माहौल में बड़ा करो या साथ में बड़ा करो, with the same parents, same intensity of everything, conditioning सब same रखो, फिर भी those two will be different, right? That's how it is with autism. You will never get even 1,000 autistic children in a room. All the 1,000 will be different. They will just show a wide range of spectrum of different things. There's something this child is doing which other child is not doing, or is doing it in a different way. So that's why it is a spectrum. Spectrum means colors.
Okay.
You have the spectrum of colors.
Colors, correct.
Which color wheel जिसको हम कहते हैं.
जी जी.
So that's how autism is related to, that no individuals on the spectrum of autism will ever be same, which is true. In 14 years, I can't recollect my first child that I interacted with till today morning that I interacted with.
Okay, so everyone is different.
There's just so much of individual difference in every child.
Okay. So, Surbi, I just want to understand this. Obviously, you just talked about 6 to 12 months old. How parents react on this? Either they get to know or they are like little worried. Okay, it's already like, 2 years, my son is not talking, or my daughter is not talking, or responding to my voice, or responding to my eye contact. So, how do they take all these things?
How would you come to know when you come to get to know for the first time you have cancer?
Well, I'll be very disheartened, obviously.
What is the first reaction?
Shocked.
Shocked. ये क्या हो गया? मुझे क्यों? ये नहीं हो सकता. कुछ गलत हो गया. चलो हम second opinion लेते हैं.
Acceptance नहीं आता है, correct?
Now, when you're talking about somebody's child, that child is the parent's future. ठीक है, that is the reason why this parent is going to do anything on earth. चाहे वो घर खरीदते हैं, कार खरीदते हैं, नौकरी बदलते हैं, पैसा कमाना, everything the child becomes, right?
Correct.
Now the moment they come to know कि बच्चे में कमी है, I'm doing this is because कमी नहीं है, वो सोच की बात है.
पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है हमारे इंडिया में ना वैसे भी हर चीज बहुत कैटेगराइज कर देते हैं, एंड देन थोड़ा सा भी होता है ना, हाँ ये कमी है.
हाँ कमी है, ओके, पागल है, एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ डम है, एंड पता नहीं क्या क्या बोल
देते हैं, वेरी इनसेंसिटिव वर्ड्स.
हाँ, तो उस थोड़ा भी वो झलक कहीं टच होता है, तो ऑब्वियसली परेशान तो होंगे, डिनायल होगा. सो देयर आर phases through which a parent passes. So there's denial, there's grief, there's shock, there's whiny phase, and then you're fighting with the God, like you're having this silent argument with the God when you're
and
praying.
It's very traumatizing.
हाँ की, and then आगे क्या होगा, बच्चे का फ्यूचर क्या है, and मैंने क्या गलत किया, ये मेरे पाप का है. There's a lot that a parent goes through, so it is not something that is very easy for anybody to accept. But the difference over here is some take 2 months, some take 2 years. तो वो बहुत इंडिविजुअलाइज्ड भी होता है कि वो पेरेंट ने कैसे रिएक्ट किया या उसने उसको कैसे ब्रेक किया गया पेरेंट को. तो पहले सॉफ्ट क्वेश्चन दिया उनको, अच्छा आप ये पढ़ लो, ये देख लो, इसके बारे में आपने सुना है, फिर धीरे धीरे बताना शायद आपका बच्चा ऐसा है, या सीधा बताना आपका बच्चा ऐसा.
तो एज अ टीचर आपको ये कितना जद्दोजहद रहती है इस चीज की कि मैं ऐसे कंफर्टिंग जोन में जाके बताऊं
कि ब्लो
हाँ
मिनिमम हो कि वो ले पाए.
दैट शॉक हैज टू बी मिनिमम.
हाँ, दैट इज लाइक that I think this is the most difficult part of our job, my job,
okay,
where it is breaking the news to the parent, like the ideal बच्चा.
हाँ,
प्रेगनेंसी में हम प्लान कर लेते हैं ना, मेरा बच्चा होगा, हम ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे.
I know
सब खाली पुलाव बन गए.
सब अपना माइंड में सोचते हैं, ऐसा बनाएंगे, वैसा बनाएंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, एंड देन सडनली
यहाँ भेजेंगे पढ़ने के लिए, इंजीनियर बनाएंगे, डॉक्टर बनाएंगे, वो इतना कमाएगा, हम ऐसा बिजनेस सेटअप कर देंगे.
सब goes for the toss,
gone.
Correct. So once that acceptance come, now let's get into this part. Once that acceptance come, so how do they go to the treatment? Does like this autism has any treatment, or it's curable?
It's not curable.
It's not curable.
It's not curable because it's affecting your brain. It is affecting your neurons. Okay. So for a normal person, if an information is getting passed this way to some other information this way. For this child, it is this way.
Okay.
Okay. And because it is going another way, the child is going to react in a different
In a
way.
different way.
Now, we can't go do anything, get into the child's brain and change the wiring. It is not humanly possible.
Mhm.
But what we can do is give the child
Therapy.
therapies. So we have occupational therapy, speech therapy, we have language development experts, that develop the child's language, that help with therapy can minimize the impact.
Okay, it is not curable, but then he will understand how to deal with
Deal with it. So basically, in autism, we say there are 5 domains of development for a child.
Okay.
Okay. The child with autism has 3 domains affected:
Okay.
social skills, language or the communication skills, and their behavior or the cognitive part.
So they don't talk?
Yes, they don't. For some part, their social skill part, the social skills is not developing. They don't want to interact with people. They want to be left alone. They like being alone. They like being in their own world. That's why I said that little box अपनी दुनिया
अपनी
में उनको
दुनिया।
वो अपनी ही एक दुनिया में है. तो
Okay.
विद थेरेपी हम उनको उस दुनिया से निकाल के वी ट्राई एंड गेट देम टू मिंगल विद एवरीबॉडी.
Okay.
तो जब वो मिंगलिंग शुरू होता है, they kind of normalize
Mm-hmm.
as what we call as normal people. They kind of start coming into that, and sooner they get it, the better it is. क्योंकि मिट्टी कच्ची है.
जी है, बिल्कुल correct.
जहाँ पक गई तो मुश्किल है.
I know. So I would like this. I would request everyone कि आप लोग अपने बच्चों में भी कोशिश करें. अगर आपको 1% भी लगता है there is something जो सुरभि जी ने हमें बताया, like उनको social
हाँ, सोशल स्माइल्स नहीं आ रही, वो अटैचमेंट नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, उनकी स्पीच डेवलप नहीं हो रही है, वो आई कांटेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, उनको अकेला रहना पसंद है. दिस पैटर्न बिल्डिंग कि उनको सुबह उठ के इतने बजे ही उठना है, उठ के इतने बजे ही ब्रश करेंगे, इतने बजे ही नहाने जाएंगे, इतने बजे ही यही खाना खाना है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज पैटर्न बिल्डिंग. some children have a strong pattern building.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
तो हम मॉल गए, तो मॉल जाने से पहले हम इस दुकान गए, ये खरीदा, फिर हम मॉल गए. तो अब हर बार उस मॉल जाने के लिए हम पहले वहां जाएंगे, फिर मॉल जाएंगे. अगर वो पैटर्न नहीं फॉलो किया, दिस अ कंप्लीट मेल्टडाउन. मेल्टडाउन इज द चाइल्ड कांट कोप विद द चेंज. तो वो इतना रोता है,
Adaptability नहीं आती towards changing of
चेंज नहीं है,
atmosphere or
तो
something.
इतना रोता है. एंड दैट रोना कैन बी फ्रॉम बैंगिंग हेड
हाँ हाँ.
to biting self to
Oh.
probably hitting somebody,
Okay.
or it can be as small as lying down on the floor and
Okay. So guys, please look into all these things. You might see on a very early age. It's better to detect early rather than waiting for those 2 years जो already फिर वापस नहीं
वापस
आते.
नहीं आते. वो टाइम जो चला गया अर्ली इंटरवेंशन का नहीं आता वापस.
नहीं
तो
आता.
फिर वो लॉस्ट टाइम इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो इवन फॉर किड्स नॉर्मली दे से 6 years इज व्हेन दे लर्न मैक्सिमम लैंग्वेज. ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट सबसे ज्यादा फर्स्ट 6 years में होता है, फिर लाइफ लॉन्ग में वो नहीं होता.
नहीं होता.
इट्स द सेम लॉजिक ओवर हियर.
Okay.
फर्स्ट
Okay.
6 years में थेरेपी मिल गई, द चाइल्ड विल कम आउट ऑफ इट.
So it's like मतलब मैं ये बात बोलना चाहती हूँ ऑन कैमरा कि जैसे और बच्चे होते हैं, ये बच्चे थोड़े अलग हो सकते हैं, बट इवेंचुअली दे आर किड्स.
दे आर किड्स एंड दे आल्सो अचीव.
बहुत बड़ा रोल रहता है टू बिहेव टुवर्ड्स दीज किड्स, आई वुड से, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि अरे आई डोंट नो हाउ टू से इट ऑल्सो बिकॉज इट इज वेरी हार्ट ब्रेकिंग फॉर मी कि मैं ऐसा कुछ किसी भी बच्चे के लिए बोलूं. बट ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव सीन पीपल जो बहुत insensitive होते हैं and just talk anything.
At times they just stare as if that person is from a zoo.
Okay, yeah.
So, I mean, it's
Correct.
like you're traveling in a car or, in the bus or a plane, you're at an airport, you're in the train, at the station. There's so many places and there are these children around you.
Suddenly look like isn't someone special as
People
them.
around them stare as if ये पता नहीं alien है या जानवर आया है zoo से. एंड कई बार आई वांट टू गो शेक देम अप, लाइक क्या देख रहे हो, वो भी तो इंसान है
बच्चा
ना,
ही है.
जैसे आप इंसान हो, आपके बगल में इंसान खड़ा है, ये भी तो
Correct.
इंसान है ना,
इंसान
ठीक है,
है.
थोड़ा अलग है.
हाँ.
फ्लैपिंग ऑफ हैंड्स होंगे उसके, या वो ऐसे
So this
ऐसे
is also
कर रहा है.
sign.
Yes. So these children also have a lot of repeated body movement. They'll
Okay.
probably flap their hands, or there'll be a lot of clapping or
Clapping.
doing this or doing this. this is kind of a way of their body processing the information which they're getting around them.
Okay.
It's a way to keep themselves calm.
Calm.
So when we are stressed, we bite our lips, पेन टिक टिक
Pen
टिक
tick
टिक
tick
करते
tick,
हैं,
correct.
हमारा हाथ पैर हिलते
हाँ
हैं.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
That's how we express our stress and nervousness.
Exactly.
तो ये बच्चे का तरीका है ऐसे ऐसे करना.
हाँ.
अलग है, ठीक है, बट
But then acceptance
बस
उनको ही नहीं चाहिए, उनके पेरेंट्स को ही नहीं चाहिए, वो एक्सेप्टेंस हमें भी चाहिए. एज अ सोसाइटी हमारा भी कर्तव्य है कि हम लोग इस चीज को बहुत पॉजिटिवली लें, एंड वी शुड एनकरेज दोस किड्स आल्सो एंड देयर पेरेंट्स आल्सो, बिकॉज पेरेंट्स तो ऑलरेडी पहले इतना स्ट्रगलसम होता है.
हाँ,
उनको पहले इतना
Parents-
स्ट्रगल रहता
हाँ, and it is very expensive. To have a child with autism is also very expensive because these therapies which you're going to provide to the child is
It's
not very cheap. They are expensive. So it can cost from anything minimum probably 800, subsidize करके भी 500 होगा, and it can also go up to 2000. अब आप ये सोचो, हर शाम को हफ्ते के 4-5 दिन आपको ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपी देनी है 500 की या 2000 की, और फिर स्पीच थेरेपी देनी है उतने 1000 की. तो कैसे आप अफोर्ड करोगे विथ योर ट्रांसपोर्ट चार्जेस इन स्कूल का खर्चा एंड
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
घर का इन जनरल इट बिकम्स वेरी
वेरी
डिफिकल्ट.
वेरी
You know, these children also are very sensitive to textures.
टेक्सचर्स इज
Wearing old clothes.
वेरी
Old clothes.
Old
They
clothes.
don't want to wear new clothes because new clothes उनको चुभते हैं. There will be some
they are
children.
very sensitive
हाँ, the
towards
skin is
this
so
thing.
sensitive कि उनको नहीं सहन होता नया कपड़ा. They want soft used है. तो पेरेंट्स नए कपड़े लाते 4-5 बार धोते हैं, जब वो एकदम सॉफ्ट हो जाते हैं पुराने
So
जैसे
see,
किसी में.
उनके साथ साथ
तो-
बच्चों के साथ साथ आपको डील. सो पेरेंट्स कहाँ से, मतलब दे लर्न ऑल दीस थिंग्स, इवन दे टेक क्लासेस.
No, it is just seeing the child grow up the way when our child is growing up. We seeing, you know, अच्छा मेरे बच्चे को ये पसंद है, ये नहीं पसंद, ये खाना बनाया आज खाएगा नहीं खाएगा, हमें पता है पहले से. पसंद नहीं पसंद. वैसे ही कि नया कपड़ा पहना है, बच्चा चिड़चिड़ा हो गया, रो रहा है, कपड़े उतारने की कोशिश कर
समझ
रहा है.
पा रही हूँ, बच्चे को तो कंफर्ट करना ही है, लेकिन उससे पहले पेरेंट्स को कंफर्ट करके एक एक्सेप्टेंस उनको
Obviously.
दिला के, ताकि वो बच्चे का ख्याल उस तरह से रख सके.
It's okay. And it's not an easy journey at any point to be. Motherhood itself is so exhausting.
हाँ, आई नो.
ठीक है. अब उस पे आप स्पेशल चाइल्ड दे दो जिसकी इतने खुद को इतनी तकलीफें हैं. ठीक है, वो खुद नॉर्मल लाइफ जीने के लिए इतने चैलेंजेस फेस कर रहा है. ठीक है, उसमें फिर ये छोटी छोटी बातें कि बच्चा सिर्फ खिचड़ी खाता है, या फिर क्योंकि वो सॉफ्ट है चबाने का, उसको माउथ में भी तेरा सेंसरी इश्यूज इन द माउथ. Sensory issues is basically your 5 senses are very sensitive. So we have little antenna receptors all over. Our eyes are also taking in information. Now these kids, these antennas are very sensitive. So some children are very sensitive to noise. Some are sensitive to light. Some are sensitive to certain touch. Some are sensitive to certain type of food. So कुछ ऐसे भी बच्चे होते हैं जो सिर्फ क्रिस्पी खाते हैं.
अच्छा.
जो क्रिस्पी खाएंगे जब खाते हैं तो वो कान में जो कटर कटर वाली आवाज होती है, तो वो उनको अच्छा लगता है. सॉफ्ट खाने में आवाज नहीं आती, पिलपिला होता है तो उनको उल्टी आती, वो नहीं खाएंगे. कुछ बच्चे उल्टे होते हैं कि सिर्फ पिलपिला खाते हैं, क्रिस्पी नहीं खाएंगे. You know?
करेक्ट.
So this just everything is different for every child.
Exactly.
But for this mother to understand all of this, you know what the child wants, try to get the child to eat everything. क्योंकि अब बच्चे को स्कूल भी भेजना है. अब कब तक चौकोस दोगे जो कुरकुरा है, कब तक पापड़ दोगे, चिप्स दोगे जो कुरकुरा है, कब तक आप मखाना और बादाम पे चलाओगे. बच्चा 7 बजे का घर से निकला हुआ है, 3 बजे आ रहा है, सिर्फ इतने खाने से चलेगा?
Obviously not. You need protein, as in you need good nutrition and all.
अब पराठा बनाया घर पे, तुरंत गैस से निकाल के दिया, क्रिस्पी है, खा लिया. पर स्कूल में तो वो सॉफ्ट ही हो जाएगा.
I know.
ब्रेड रोल बनाया घर पे, क्रिस्पी है, खा लिया.
बट स्कूल में अगेन इट्स गोइंग टू बी सॉगी.
तो उस बच्चे ने नहीं खाया. वो बच्चा भूखा भी है, उसके अलग टेंट्रम्स भी है, बेचारा भूखा है. He can't tell you he's hungry, so he's obviously going to have a
It is
meltdown.
not curable, but अगर
It's management. You have to train, manage.
and train in a very younger age.
हाँ,
ऐसा नहीं कि बैठे हैं 6 साल तक, करे नहीं, धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा.
हाँ, ठीक हो जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं. इसने भी लेट सीखा, उसने भी लेट सीखा. नहीं, it does not work. You're damaging the child.
द चाइल्ड। तो इसमें जो इनका स्टडी स्ट्रक्चर होता है, सिंस यू आर अ टीचर, तो आप मेरे को थोड़ा सा ये बताओ इनका स्टडी स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है? डू ऑल द स्कूल्स हैव स्पेशल एजुकेशंस और
It is a mandate by CBSE.
ओके इट इज मैंडेटेड बाय सीबीएसई?
By CBSE, the schools have to have a special educator. If they don't, their affiliation can be taken away.
ओके
So if you're a CBSE school, you have to be inclusive, you have to have a special educator, you cannot deny admission to children with special needs. But to comfort the schools, they've said, chalo do le lo every academic year.
अच्छा
Trying to accommodate जितने आप ले सकते हो उतने तो लो. At least if you're taking two, you're making some difference. School, they've tried to balance it out. Like, they're trying, government is trying to balance कि ना school पे एकदम हो ना parents हावी हो जाए.
एग्जैक्टली।
तो they're trying to balance it out. चलो दो at least ले लो. There are some schools who take more based on the level.
And you need to have that sort of setup also.
Setup
ना?
also,
आपको
yes.
teachers भी चाहिए who understand them. Because I'm sure it's very
No,
exhausting.
even this CBSE is very clear. You have to train your teachers to manage such children. So over the years, there's been so much of feedback that is gone that they are now changing the B.Ed course.
Okay, that's very good initiative, I
Yes.
think.
So problem is our teachers are not equipped. They don't know how to manage these kids. They don't know why a child is behaving a certain way. So they're not sensitive. So because they're not sensitive, they don't want to help the child. They don't want to put in that extra effort. They don't want to go extra mile.
हम्म
तो अब जब उन्होंने अपना B.Ed कोर्स में ये एक सब्जेक्ट डाल दिया है
हम्म
कि स्पेशल नीड्स का डिसेबिलिटी का टॉपिक आ गया है. दे लर्निंग अबाउट डिफरेंट इम्पेयरमेंट्स, दे लर्निंग अबाउट हाउ टू टीच दीज चिल्ड्रन. तो अपने आप दिस नाउ द कमिंग अप जनरेशन इज अ लिटिल बेटर.
better, and which is really good. If I go by stats, I was just reading that boys are having more tendency of having this
Yes.
autism rather than having girls.
Yes, I think it is something with the chromosome, Y chromosome.
Okay.
I think so.
Can you
But
just share your views on this? What is your experience? Do you think so? Like
Yes.
this stats
yes,
is right?
yes. I think this year I'm going to be seeing my first autistic girl in a very long time.
Okay.
I don't think I've actually had autistic girl.
It's most of the most.
Yeah, this is one that I'm expecting that I had observed. I was there for another child, helping him cope in the class. And he's also just diagnosed.
Okay.
Okay, so the mother is also new and she's asking me loads of questions and she's like, ma'am, this, ma'am, that. But he's doing this over here, he's not doing this over here because the child is trained to work one to one.
Hmm.
The child is not trained to work in a normal classroom setup.
Hmm.
The generalization of behavior is not happening. यहाँ टीचर ने 1-to-1 में पूछा तो हैंड ऊपर करके जवाब दिया.
जवाब
अब
दिया.
यही क्लासरूम में पूछा
So they
20
will not.
children, because the environment is different, child is not raising up. He becomes nervous. He's not going to answer. He's going to wanting to run away. He's going to just sleep in the class.
Hmm.
तो those individual differences इतने होते हैं बच्चों में, that training and the support is so important at younger years to ease the adulthood.
And adult में तो but I just read somewhere कि कई जगह पे लोगों को अपने adulthood में पता चला
Yes.
that they are autistic, and which is a surprising thing for me also, because देखो छोटे बच्चों का तो obviously सबको मालूम है. Now people, I won't say ज़्यादा aware है. That's the reason I wanted to make this podcast, ताकि लोगों को हम और awareness दे पाए. लेकिन adulthood में पता चलने का क्या reasoning है? And they
I
don't.
think it is because it is getting diagnosed right now a lot more is because we have special educators. We have teachers who are trained. They're coming in with the little training of diagnosing and understanding, Our B.Ed courses are now opening up. They're talking about normal development also. They're talking about psychology. It is not only a crash course. आपको कैसे concept पढ़ाना है, lesson plan कैसे करना है.
But now they've introduced in schools also the psychology and all,
Yes.
which I was.
So I think that awareness is coming about because the teachers are getting educated, the school is educated, there's media talking about it. And I think the large credit also goes to famous people with probably autism or sister concern of autism is Asperger's. So children with autism have an IQ of average or below average. Average is still
But
110.
there are people who are very talented also.
Huh. So these people may have an IQ beyond 110.
Okay.
So people who have a genius IQ are coming into that Asperger's syndrome.
Okay, so it is
It is the same thing, but they're differentiating is the IQ.
IQ.
So Greta, that we're talking about, the activist,
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
so she's an Asperger's syndrome. Why? Because she's high functioning. High functioning is she's got a good IQ.
Okay.
You know, so when people like her come and talk about it, why will we not know? You know, there was this singer with who keeps her hair over here. Sia, yes, Sia. So that is her way of coping with facing people. She's hid her face, she's not seeing people directly, the eye contact is not there, you know. So
But this is still a motivation for those people who are trying to hide their kids or themselves, you know, at this age कि हमें अपने आप को नहीं explore मतलब बताना है कि हम ऐसे हैं. But then I would say it's commendable on their part who are coming up and talking about it.
yes, I think the credit goes to these people also. We have Barfi, the movie which got released,
Exactly,
you
and
know,
that was a quite famous movie and got a lot of nomination. When
work that Priyanka Chopra would have ever done, you know. So people, when they ask me what is autism, I say go back to Barfi.
I know
You will understand. Oh, watch My Name is Khan.
हाँ.
My Name is Khan or Mr. Khan. My Name
Yeah,
is
my
Khan,
name
I
is
think.
Khan. My
He
name
was
is-
Asperger's in that. He was high functioning, but he was as autism.
It is high functioning or too much of energy are the same
No,
thing.
no, they're two different things. Too much of energy is called as child being hyperactive.
Hyperactive. So nowadays, you know what? When we go down, as in I go to a park or anywhere, so people say, "Oh, my kid is very hyperactive." So I try to put him in a number of sports. So I actually never got to understand what is hyperactive. What they are saying about hyperactive. बच्चे तो एक्टिव होते ही है ना.
Okay. Hyperactiveness is when the child is loaded with energy. Okay. So the child is on the go literally all the time. वो थकता नहीं है.
थकता नहीं है.
वो थकता नहीं है, इसलिए वो शायद सोता भी नहीं है. 2-3 घंटे की नींद बहुत होती है. एंड देन ही इज जस्ट रनिंग. चाहे खाएगा पिएगा कुछ नहीं, वो भाग रहा है. एंड यू वंडर इसको कहाँ से एनर्जी मिल रही है. दैट इज
correct.
हाइपर एक्टिवनेस.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what we have today is a lifestyle disorder.
Okay. So this is genetics or
No, it is not genetic. ADHD can be genetic. Okay, it is again at times it's the chemicals, at times it's the neurons which is passing information a bit too quickly, and that's why the child is hyperactive. तो एक पल यहाँ बैठा है, दूसरा पल यहाँ कूद गया क्योंकि वो उतने इसमें 10 थॉट्स आ गए, यहाँ से वहां
यहाँ
पहुंच
से
गया
वहाँ
वो
पहुंच
चीज
गया.
करने के लिए, या सोचे बिना काम कर लिया. मुझे इयररिंग्स पसंद है, खींच लिए.
Okay.
खींचने के बाद लगा ये गलती करती.
हाँ.
तो जब ख्याल आए और एक्शन के बीच में पॉज नहीं
Pause
है.
नहीं है.
When we do something, we talk,
Think.
we get the thought, then we think कि this is right or this is wrong, and then we do it.
Absolutely.
That this automated fraction of second of judgment in us. Right?
Correct.
There's this lapse of judgment in these children who are hyperactive.
Hyperactive. Okay.
So autism is usually also associated with ADHD. And a lot of our ADHD children get diagnosed as autistic, and autistic get diagnosed as ADHD.
Okay.
क्योंकि बच्चा hyperactive है तो वो eye contact नहीं कर रहा.
Okay, because उसके बाद माइंड में इतने थॉट्स आ गए कि मैं क्या क्या करूँ. अब मेरे को देख के बात नहीं करनी, मुझे जल्दी काम करना है.
क्योंकि ये भी देखना, वो भी देखना, ये भी देखना, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है. इतने थॉट्स चल रहे थे, चाइल्ड इज नॉट मेकिंग एन आई कॉन्टैक्ट. क्योंकि वो आई कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं बना पा रहा, तो वो हम कहते हैं अरे ऑटिज्म है, आई कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं बना है. नो, ऑटिज्म इज नॉट ओनली मेकिंग आई कॉन्टैक्ट और नॉट. It is eye contact, it is language development, it is showing attachment. Emotionally वो अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर पा रहा है, वो किसी और के इमोशन समझ पा रहा है. तो आपको चोट लगी, नॉर्मल दूसरा बच्चा आकर देखेगा क्या हुआ, प्यारी करेगा आपको, या they will soothe. This child will not have any reaction. There are also autistic children, you know, who like pain.
Who like pain, like pinching themselves.
They
The way
will
you
pinch or
told
they'll
us.
bite. Okay, there are children who will purposely make themselves fall from the chair on the head.
Okay.
So जो सिर पे पेन हुआ ना, जो लगी, and they will laugh. रब भी करेंगे कि लग गई सिर
लग
पे,
गई।
पेन है, तो वो हँसेंगे भी। So their sense of pain, their sense organs are working in a different way. They're processing the same information in a different way.
So correct way of understanding is like you need to figure it out on an early stage so that you can save all
हाँ,
these issues actually.
issues, हाँ. तो बड़े होके then it is very difficult to let the child come out of it, you know. So an early age you can correct them. So the moment the child learns language, can express
It's
themselves,
very
their
important to have that
self-harm will
speech
stop.
therapy.
They won't be hurting themselves.
Okay.
तो
And no parents would want that.
वांट, हाँ, कि मुझे भूख लगी, मैं बता नहीं पा रहा भूख लगी है, तो सिर मारा, जगह जगह जाके सिर पटका, या फिर जमीन पे लेट के ढा 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 किया। नाउ दिस इज आल्सो वेरी एग्जॉस्टिंग फॉर द चाइल्ड। कब तक कोई हाथ पे चलाता रहेगा?
I know.
थक जाता है बच्चा। किसको पसंद है रोना 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 हर बार? पूरे दिन ऑटिस्टिक बच्चा अगर रोता रहेगा, इट इज नॉट इजी। आप लैंग्वेज दे दो, वर्ड्स दे दो, रोना बंद हो जाता है उसका बच्चा, सेटल हो जाएगा,
कामनेस आ जाता है।
कामनेस आ जाती है।
ये जो आप हाइपर एक्टिविटी कह रहे हो एंड दीज आर द थिंग्स वो हाइपर एक्टिव होकर करता है एंड एज अ सोसाइटी, एज द पेरेंट्स, एज जो भी गार्जियंस हैं, इट्स आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उनको सही टाइम पे वो ट्रीटमेंट मिले
देना, हाँ।
एंड जो भी थेरेपी रिक्वायर्ड है एटलीस्ट एक शॉट जरूर दें इस चीज पे।
I have this child who got admission on basis of autism in our school.
ओके
Okay. The parents submitted documents of being autistic. My child is autistic. So my principal said, Surbi, look, if we can have the child in our school, can we give what the child wants? Can we give that level
School
of
is
support?
paying their effort or they are doing it.
If it is beyond what teachers and we can handle, then we are going to harm the child. We will not help the child.
Help the child.
So
Okay.
let us see if we can give. And I felt there's nothing really wrong with the child. हाँ, थोड़ा स्विचिंग ऑफ एक्टिविटीज में उसको टाइम लगा। अभी ABCD किया तो अब मैं नंबर्स कर रही हूँ, तो उसको उसमें जाने में टाइम लगा, डिफाइंस था, नहीं करना नहीं करना नहीं करना। अच्छा 5 मिनट बात कर लेंगे, अभी ये कर लो, अब Z तक दोबारा लिख लो, फिर हम 1 to 10 करते हैं। अच्छा ठीक है। अब दिस इज द लिटिल नॉलेज दैट टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स एंड वी नीडेड, कि टाइम दे दो टू स्विच इनटू अनदर एक्टिविटी।
टाइम, यू नीड टाइम,
हाँ,
ताकि आप जो है उस बच्चे को
बच्चे को
टाइम दो
time दो
वो
to
समझने के लिए।
तो the child is switched. Now the child is going to the top psychiatrist, child psychiatrist.
So
And
do they
psychologist.
have anything to do with these kids psychiatrists?
Yes, they are the ones who recommend medication if the child is extremely hyperactive, is very sensitive to sounds and this sensory issues.
So they need medication for
yes,
these.
there are medications that will help the child calm down.
Calm down.
When the child calms down, then it's easy to connect with the child and get education, and a lot of development starts because the child is calmed down and his mind is opening up to the world. He can accept things. He's not that rigid now. So this other child, okay, this child that I was talking about who came is now at the border of autism and normalizing.
So it can be reversible.
It's not reversible. He will still have autistic-like traits. He will still be on the spectrum, but he's learned to manage those issues that he was having. He's learned to manage it. He's learned the skills. He's trained himself. This little kid who came to us was in KG, is in now entered class 2.
Okay.
And in this short duration of time, I was very scared when this academic year started.
Okay.
अरे नई बिल्डिंग में जा रहा है, नई टीचर है, फ्रेंड्स, क्लास डिवाइड हो गई, कैसे करेगा ये बच्चा? आई वाज वेरी नर्वस। मेन गेट से इस बिल्डिंग तक कैसे? ये तो रो देगा बच्चा, वहीं अटक के रो देगा, मैं उसको गोदी में उठा के ले जाऊं, कैसे ले जाऊंगी उसको? आई हैड माय एप्रीहेंशन। सो टीचर्स को एकदम वो किया, ये किया, वो किया, एंड टू माय सरप्राइज भैया ने जाकर स्कूल क्लासरूम में ड्रॉप किया। अच्छा बाय भैया, वो जाकर बैठ गया। उसको अपनी टीचर दिख गई। वो टीचर दिख गई क्योंकि मैंने टीचर को पहले इंट्रोड्यूस करवा दिया था।
अच्छा।
मम्मी ने फिर घर पे बात की बच्चे से कि ये आपकी टीचर है, आपको नए बिल्डिंग जाना है, आपका ये क्लासरूम है, तो क्लासरूम की फोटो भिजवा दी
अच्छा, ओके, दीज़ आर स्मॉल ट्रिक्स।
टिप्स, हाँ, की टू ईज ऑफ द चाइल्ड्स चेंज की एंजाइटी।
ओके,
तो बच्चा प्रिपेयर्ड था, टीचर प्रिपेयर्ड थी, बच्चा एंग्शियस आएगा तो आपको क्या करना है, उसको पूछ के हक देना है।
अच्छा,
आप पहले पूछो, कैन आई टॉक टू यू? इफ द चाइल्ड इज विलिंग टू टॉक टू यू, अगर वो हाँ बोलता है तो आप बात करो, वो ना बोलता है, कम बैक इन सम टाइम। ओके, आई विल कम बैक टू यू इन 10 मिनट्स, देन कैन वी टॉक? प्रोबेबली वो 10 मिनट में ही विल नो दैट यू कमिंग बैक।
ओके।
ही इज एक्सपेक्टिंग, यू नो।
So it is like little tricks.
हाँ, and he's so normal कि within, I think, first 10 minutes he was anxious,
Mm-hmm.
and then he was just fine. And each day I visit him, he says, "You go away, I don't need you." Initially, I was like, "Well,
But then it is like an achievement for you that what you have
child does
worked.
not need me anymore."
Exactly, it is like an achievement.
This, but the credit goes to the parents.
I know. I was about to say this because this is not only teacher's job,
It is the parents.
parents' job as well. And parents are going to be very exhausting with all these things. That's very true. But just of course, parents are very sensitive towards their child, but it's just sometimes it happens that out of frustration, we just tend to, hit them or harm them in a way like they're very sensitive, though they don't have that sense of probably
That is
understanding.
because the parents don't know how to handle the child. तो वो frustration में लगता है दो लगा तो शायद समझ जाएगा। तो बात समझने की नहीं है, वो समझ रहा है, पर वो अपने आप को रोक नहीं पा
Stress
रहा।
नहीं कर
वो
पा रहा,
अपना
बता
हाँ,
नहीं
ही
पा
इज
रहा.
सो ट्यून्ड इन अ सर्टेन वे, यू नो, कि उसको पहले से चेंज बता दो तो वो अडेप्ट कर लेगा। वो ऑटिज्म का पार्ट है, दैट इज ऑटिज्म। ठीक है, पैटर्न सेट हो गया है, तो वो पैटर्न आप दोगे तो
मोस्टली
शांत
हमने आई
रहेगा।
थिंक सारे सिम्टम्स इस चीज पे कवर कर दिए हैं.
नो, आई डोंट थिंक सो। इट इज सेक्टर दिस सो
So
मच,
much.
इट इज सो वाइड।
एटलीस्ट जो जनता जिनको अवेयरनेस नहीं है, एटलीस्ट अभी वो अपने बच्चों को इतना देख के तो समझ सकते हैं कि भाई.
हाँ, एंड आप अर्ली ट्रीटमेंट दे दोगे, अर्ली हेल्प दे दोगे, इट वॉन्ट बी अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट जर्नी इन द ओल्डर इयर्स।
ओके, एप्रीहेंशंस रहते हैं ना
हाँ,
पेरेंट्स के, बड़े होके कैसे करेगा, कैसे सेटल होगा.
so I'll share this success story of me, this friend of mine.
श्योर,
Okay,
प्लीज.
she was with me in the diploma course that I was doing, and she had a 6-year-old son who was diagnosed with autism
ओके,
with ADHD. So he did normal schooling till 8th. After 8th, he took up open schooling because normal schooling ka burden with therapy was getting too much.
ओके,
Okay,
फॉर द
and
किड एज वेल एज फॉर
हाँ,
पेरेंट.
and teenagers, children are insensitive, तो वो issues भी मेरे ख्याल से आ रहे थे।
हम्म.
तो a lot of other things, giving him flexibility to do what he likes doing, and giving him exposure with his skill sets that he had. So they took up open schooling for him. Open schooling kiya, he did his 12th. During that time, they realized he likes baking.
He likes baking. Okay.
So he did a chef course. He learned how to. So he's worked in all the top 5-star hotels. He's into his own bakery business. Okay.
Okay.
And who's the Kapoor? Sorry, the chef Kapoor.
Sanjeev Kapoor.
Sanjeev Kapoor. He has visited his stalls, and he's worked under him.
Okay.
So there, he's making his way up. During this time, somebody suggested to the mother, your child is hyperactive, usko subah run ke liye le jao.
Okay.
And you can't send a child alone to run. So the father had to go for a run with him, to be with the child to run. He enjoyed the process of running so much, channelizing himself, that he's the first Asian marathon runner.
Very nice.
With autism. With autism, the first marathon runner in Asia.
Okay.
Okay. And now the mom has made a forum for autism, for people with autism. She's made sensory parks. Hyderabad government invited her to make a sensory park in Hyderabad. Now, after that, in Goa government invited her to have a marathon run for children with special needs in Goa.
Okay.
So, if that boy is what he is today, if he's a marathon runner, he's a chef, he can talk about autism himself. He's having his own podcast where he's been interviewed by his therapists, who are running podcasts, and he himself is talking about his autism, and he's talking about his own struggles.
Mhm.
So huge amount of credit goes to this mom, Darshana Sawant.
Yes.
You can get her interviews. She's also gone on TEDx and spoken about her journey
Okay.
as a mom of being a child with autism, how much she's learned. But today, if this boy Varun is what he is because largely because of what the parents have done. And obviously, parents are what they are is because of Varun.
Because of Varun,
If
obviously.
Varun wasn't there, this path which they walked on would not have happened. I'm having goosebumps talking about her.
I know, even I'm just assuming and thinking, how this journey must have been so full of ups and downs,
Yes,
and
it has been.
acceptance and then rejections, and a lot of thing is like.
I remember her very clearly the first day of our college, and we were asked, why do you want to do this course? Why do you want to do special education course? Why do you want to become a special educator? And I said, my mom, and everybody were like, oh. And then when she said, my son is with autism, and we were like, okay. No or nothing. We just stared at her. And then I'm like, man, look at her strength.
Strength, correct.
She's married. She has a child. She has a house to take care of. And she's doing this course for her son. So that is the power of a mom, a parent. If you educate yourself, you give the support.
So there'll be one question which I wanted to ask you. There was a finding, or people saying, I will not say finding, but people saying that this MMR vaccine has a major role to play in, in this autism.
It's causing autism.
Yeah, causing autism.
No,
they
it's
say
not
it's a
possible.
disease which happened through MMR vaccination.
No.
And why I'm asking this question, because this is very basic question. When I just go for outing or something, when I'm talking about all these things to the people, they say, yeah, there's one vaccination, because of that this happens. So I want you to make our viewers understand that what is this MMR vaccination for.
Okay, vaccination is something that is giving you antibodies to fight against a disease.
Okay.
Why will a vaccine change your brain makeup? Can it change your brain makeup? It cannot. It can't change the chemical composition of your brain. It can't change the chemical wiring, neurons working. It can't. So why will that cause autism? Yes, autism can be caused because the mother was probably very stressed
during her pregnancy.
She was stressed during pregnancy, or there's been a very difficult delivery, or right before she conceived, she must have had some type of medicine or a steroid which has had its impact on the child. These are possibilities that have been spoken about, but there's no confirmed theory.
Okay.
Like the way we know what cancer is. कैंसर क्यों होता है, मतलब कैसे हो रहा है, सेल्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, ये वो सब पता है. तो क्यों किसी में वो शुरू होता है, we still don't know. We are still saying lifestyle, this, that.
And for this also, mostly some people say it's genetic, some people say this lifestyle, or your environment is
There are theories floating around, but there's no credible research which is being able to point and stamp it कि this is it.
Okay.
वो नहीं हो रहा था.
So what I can say that MMR vaccine, I'm naming the name because people have quoted this to me. So I'm just saying that this vaccination has.
I don't think so. Probably there could be a relation with getting the vaccine and the child getting diagnosed or showing those
because
symptoms.
It is, if I'm not mistaken, this is a vaccination which a child gets in the age of, I think, 2 or 1.5 years, I think.
So it could be at that time that you found differences in your child's behavior, which is
I know. And then you start connecting with the vaccination. Guys, vaccinations are very important for kids. Do not, get carried away with such stuff. Go and get your kid vaccinated. And Surabhi ji, it was wonderful chatting with you on this special, autism thing, because I so wanted to have this podcast. I have seen people struggling with autistic kids. Kids are getting struggling. They have their own struggles.
It's not an easy journey for anybody. Life in general is difficult. लाइफ इन जनरल इज डिफिकल्ट, इसी को लाइफ कहते हैं
कहते
जहाँ
हैं
तकलीफें हैं। तो इनमें थोड़ा और नमक मसाला लग गया है टू मेक इट अ लिटिल मोर डिफिकल्ट।
एक्सेप्टेंस गाइस, एक्सेप्टेंस बहुत जरूरी है, एक्सेप्टेंस अपना
यस
रखना भी जरूरी है। और सुरभि जी ने आज हमें बहुत सारी चीजें बताई हैं, और मोस्टली मुझे लगता है इस पॉडकास्ट में हमने बहुत एम्फेसाइज किया है सिम्टम्स पे। एंड दैट इज बिकॉज कि हम चाहते हैं अगर 1% भी ऐसा कोई बच्चा है जिसको ये सिम्टम्स है, वो जरूर हेल्प के लिए आगे आए, उसके पेरेंट्स हेल्प के लिए आगे आए। So, thank you so much, Survi ji, for coming on Foxy Podcast. Please, guys, अगर आपको हमारा एपिसोड अच्छा लगा है तो do like, share and subscribe. And I would just give this, I wanted this opportunity to take from Survi ji to tell some few things. जिस नोट पे आप ये खत्म करना चाहते हो पॉडकास्ट, टू द पेरेंट्स, टू द व्यूअर्स, इस केस को लेकर, ऑटिज्म को लेकर।
इफ योर चाइल्ड, if you feel your child is autistic, it's absolutely fine. It is not the end of the world. You know, you as a parent can make a different world for the child. Accept your child. He's yours. She is yours. तो जो भी है वो अपना है, अपनाओ उसको. Give the child help and believe me, this child will make you proud. ये child कहीं ना कहीं आपका रास्ता बनेगा. And please go Google famous people with autism. You will realize autism is not a limit, it is just an opportunity to looking at things differently. There's so many people with autism, you know, who are famous.
Famous.
From DiCaprio, I think the famous artist, you know, he was autistic. Steven Spielberg is autistic. So autism is not
डरने वाला डिजीज नहीं
it's
है।
not something that you need to be scared of and beat yourself up saying hi tragedy ho gayi life ki. No, it is probably God has given you an opportunity to pave a different way, so make use of the opportunity.
सो इसी नोट पे मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ सबको। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सुरभि जी फॉर कमिंग।
Thank